The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla.
This is Hudson Avenue, PNP constituency, controlled by Patrick Hilton. Over 30 odd years this road haven't fixed. Look at it. I'm PNP in office for how much years and them don't look at this road. But they make Andrew fix them, Andrew will get the whole water house. Trust me. See it here? Look at the condition. 30 odd years the road and not fixed, nothing in repair or anything. Look at it. And it's a big PNP constituency. Look at it. All the Andrew road them have it, you know. Well prestige. And look here. PNP are rain over 20 and never yet look on them road here. And them want to vote for win. See it here? Look on the road there. This is Hudson Avenue, you know. Very poor condition, no? Poor condition. 30 odd years this road and not fixed. Look on the road. Yeah, I send them go get Patrick and see. See there? PNP voter. 30 odd years them a road and a fix. See there? Hudson Avenue. Look on the condition. PNP constituency. And them have to see over 20 odd years. And them look on them road. You look on them. Hudson Avenue this, you know. Yeah, PNP stronghold. Watch out, up on the road. Up on the condition of the road. Hudson Avenue. Yes, welcome to Hudson Avenue, you know. 30 odd years them a road and I see nothing named Barber Green or nothing. Yeah?
Yeah, viewers and subscribers, big up and respect, manners, you see, Dancehall skilla is here. Yeah, respect each and every one. Alright, so it's good to let members of parliament within the country of Jamaica know what's going on within the community. You see me? Sometimes they are not aware of what's going on within the community. You see me? And you have a lot of them who are aware of what's going on within the community, but nothing had been done about certain things that need fixing within communities out there. You see me? I say, so the person you can hear talking in the background of that video, that person talked about roads at a certain place within the country of Jamaica that seems to need fixing. Did you hear how long the person said that roads within that community have not been fixed? You hear how long the person said? Eh? I know. Anyways, let me know what I think about some of the things that have been shown and said in that video, viewers and subscribers. And with that, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, I'm going to present to you pieces of videos that have been put together and put out there on social media that shows a person stuck inside of a window frame. And according to some things that have been said on social media about the videos, I got the understanding that the person had been accused of being a thief or breaking and entering someone's premises, you see? Now, let's take a look at these videos and see if we can get a understanding as to what happened, you see me? You can let me know if you think the person is a thief or if you think the person is not a thief, you see me? And so on. You see, because sometimes, you know, accidents do happen. You see me? I say, yeah, maybe the person lock himself out of the house and try to break into his own house and so on. You see me? Anyways, the videos shows some things on the person's skin and shirt. I'm not sure if it is blood or not. You see me? So before I present these pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen and observe.
Pode jogar na minha e tô brincando, gente. Meu Deus, não é normal não, velho.
Yeah, sometimes accidents do happen, viewers and subscribers. You know, maybe the person lock himself out of his own house and try to break and enter in his own house and so forth. So me I say, yeah, and maybe the glass broke and the person got hurt. Who knows? You understand? You see me? And maybe the person actually was trying to break and enter into someone's house. You see me? I say, but overall, you know, these pieces of videos, they are being talked about on social media. So I'm going to present those videos to you. You know, you can let me know what I think about those videos, alright? And with that, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a man who said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that he have a black eye, right? Yeah, he say he have a black eye, but I have something in touch really. And he went on to explain how he got this so-called black eye that he said he have or talk about. You see, my viewers and subscribers, some of the things that this person said, I'm wondering if this person is joking or if he's not joking. You see me? You know what? Tell me what you think about this video. Tell me if you believe or if you don't believe this person. Here's the video. Take a look and observe.
Alright, my peeps. You see me have a black eye, you know. I'm a do it. Like, you know, I'm a girlfriend, husband come home early from work. But he didn't know some of that in yard still. If not, maybe he don't know so everything alright. And he never have to come home. So, but he come home with his tool bag. And like what I'm away in a bag. And he put it down yourself. I don't know if in this system my face did it still when I put it down. You know. And that happened because a good youth, I know him long time and me and him never have nothing. I know my wife, good too. You know what I mean? So it's like he come home and me did it. And I like me that teeth are nothing because me not even have on close. You know what I mean? So I just that happened. You know, but you know, he alright I know, you know, pain me or nothing, you know. And as me say, I don't know if you need to realize my face is the right this underneath the bed and I put on the hammer. And he you know, he slightly cracked my nose. You know. So I don't like me and nobody when they fight or nothing.
Alright, so well I know. According to the things that this man said, you see, I got the understanding that he said that someone put down a hammer right here. Put it down. I got the understanding that the person said that he was inside a married couple's house in the nude. You know, see something wrong with that? Eh? Oh, maybe he was in the shower. Yeah, maybe he was in the shower. Or maybe I just joke him and maybe I make him make up that story. Because me somewhat find it hard to believe the things that this person said. And him talking so serious to viewers and subscribers. So, me not understand how this person talks something so serious. You see me? So I'm wondering if this person is joking. You see me? Anyways, you can let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. Let me know if you believe or if you don't believe the things that this person said. You see me? I said, I'm going to move on to another video. Right? I'm going to move on to another video. Alright, so the next video I'm going to present to you. This video is going to show something that a person made. And the person called this thing that he made a free energy generator. Viewers and subscribers, before I present this video to you, I'm going to tell you from right now, do not try this at home. No, don't try it at home because it can be dangerous. You understand? However, I think it is amazing, this thing that the person made. You see me? I'm wondering if it is actually really working as to how the person explained or show it in the video. So I'm wondering if this thing really make or support or if it is working or support. But you know, because you have sometimes, you know, you have some people do some fake stunts and put it on social media. But at the same time still, if it's really working, it's amazing. I'm going to say big up to the person same way. So I say because Jamaica people full of talent, you know. Yeah man, the Caribbean people they're full of talent, man. Alright, so here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think about this video. Alright?
Don't know. Boss a turn on him thing. Boss below. What do you call this, my general?
A free energy generator.
A free energy generator.
Let me show it. Tell them how long, how much hours it
Yeah man, so run about 4 hours to 5 hours now to the time when I pass it.
Self-runner.
Yeah, self-runner.
Show them the current on that.
Charge back itself. Run and charge back itself. See there? 13.5 something. You don't know. Give your current and charge back itself. You understand? Automatically charge back itself. You understand? See there? Yeah, see there? Yeah, man. Real boss, see that?
See the charger, 13.6, so it got now.
Mm-hmm.
My charge.
So you see people, this are going original badal. You see it?
Disability own current.
Disability own current. Disability own current. The current and self-runner. Charge back all the battery them automatically. You understand?
Show them
Yeah, man.
ground. You convert all those, show them the conversion over
See them there? Yeah, man.
Show them all like conversion.
See them something here? I don't have them on now, I use them things here. Check the bars, I see it. See there? See all the bike angle, bicycle angle. All of them there, the bars I use. See there?
Build them out as crap.
The next one this. See next one here? Right through, charge back your battery them, everything. And you see it. Original technician, see me? Uncle Badal. Right, that's all. So you don't know. Yeah.
From the current.
This morning the boss make this. This morning.
This morning. Driver circuit, charge circuit.
Yeah.
So it's a self-runner. And this machine can charge any battery. And the more coils you put around, the more current you get from the system.
Yeah.
I go pad it up and then I put it in my battery bank.
Yeah.
So when we finish, then we can disconnect all of my solar panels. And you guys will see.
Yeah, so that is the man
so look
who
at
build the generators.
This is 13.5 volts.
Yeah.
So this is what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to put it onto this batteries, onto the battery here, and this thing can run for the rest of your life. So you just need to put some more coils around it and do whatever.
Yeah, and the current build up more. So
hey baby.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, I am wondering, see, I am wondering if that big wheel is being spinned or pushed by magnets repelling each other. You see me? Now, I don't really want to explain certain things because on a real, I don't want persons to just go and try this at home because sometimes I see these things can be dangerous. You see me? I say, so I'm not encouraging no one to try it at home. You see me? But I'm just telling you what I think. You see me? I'm wondering if the thing wrapped underneath there is a magnet, like an electrical magnet or a magnet that creates by electricity. I'm not going to explain that one too far because like I said, I'm not encourage each and every one out there to try something like that because that can be dangerous. You understand? See, leave those things to the expert. So I'm wondering if that is a magnet underneath there and the thing spinning like the wheel that is spinning and whatsoever. I'm wondering if those little things that you see on the end of it, if that is magnet. So if magnet repel each other as it keeps passing, it's going to keep repelling each other. And then you have the whole thing with the turbine thing, you know, them big fan that spins and create current when it spins. Yeah, I'm wondering if that is a part of the whole thing too. So I say, I'm just wondering, you know, there's more things I could explain about this thing, but I'm not here to encourage persons to try that. Please do not try that at home. It's dangerous. You understand? You see? So, I just wonder. But anyways, you, my viewers and subscribers, can let me know what I think about that video. You can let me know what I think about the videos that I presented to you in this video, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, you can let me know if I'm wrong or right about the things that I just said about the thing that the person created. So I say, alright, big up and respect, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in Dancehall skilla, you know. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, skilla. You are watching Dancehall skilla 10.